Hello students, today we are going to start class 5th subject moral science chapter 5th fighting fit. Children need physical activity to build strength, coordination and confidence and to lay the groundwork for a healthy lifestyle. You should also gain more control over how active you are. Here's what you should do to stay healthy. So first is eat right. This can seem difficult when you are busy with your classes and homework, but it is attainable. Try to follow some simple practices like always eat breakfast, never skip meals, and snack on healthy food regularly to avoid hunger. Balance your meal by ensuring you have the proper amount of fruits, vegetables, whole grain, dairy product, and protein while leaving sugary and fatty junk food by the wayside. Second is the exercise. Keeping your body healthy and in shape is important. It does not have to be extreme either. Practice in physical education classes Brickley, avoid indoor games on computer. Ensure that each day you do this. You need to get 1 hour or more of moderate and vigorous physical activity, at least practiced in several bout of physical activity of 15 minutes. Avoid long period of inactivity for 2 hours or more unless you sleeping. Now fitness, just do it, even if it is a short walk or jogging or yoga or any other from exercise. Just do it. Don't postpone or wait for another day. Start right away and just do it. Take it step by step. If you are not sure how to exercise, take help from adults and follow it step by step, or you may hurt yourself by doing the wrong exercise. Join a student club or game. To enjoy your fitness program, join a school team or club. This will give you time to do structured activities. Choose activities you enjoy. Exercising should not be punishment but something that you enjoy. So choose activity that you like doing so that you get a fit by enjoying. Find a buddy. A friend will ensure that you do your practice regularly. Each can lend a helping hand. So here is some activity in giving table, right? Do's and don't about fitness. So is your homework which is good and which is not. You have to write about the fitness over here. Now do daily query at home and help out adults. Allot enough time for free play for after school hour with the neighborhood kids. Get enough sleep. Do not stay up late in the night to watch TV or do your homework. Getting enough sleep can really improve your overall health and wellness. For school students, expert recommended 7 to 9 hours of sleep in night. Stay asleep. Turn off the light and all your electronic devices. Okay, now wash your hands. It's so easy for students to spread germs to one another, and not washing your hands make it even easier to do so. Hand washing is such a simple way to prevent germs from spreading many illness. Wash your hand throughout the day, but especially before mealtime, when you have been around people who are sick, and whenever you touch your eye, nose or mouth. Avoid sugary drinks. Foods that are high in protein and fiber are a way better for you in the long run. Avoid soda and aerated bottled drinks. Sixth is drink lots of water. Staying hydrated will give you more energy throughout the day. It invigorated your body, stop you from overeating, and help in concentrations. It also prevents tiredness, so fill up your water bottle daily. Remember to use a refillable bottle rather than using plastic, which is bad for the environment. Get a flu shot. It always better to be a safe than sorry and getting a flu shot. It is one of the easiest way to avoid illness. Now relax. It is also easy to get stressed about tests and assignments. Make sure that give yourself plenty of break. Maintain a healthy routine on a daily basis and always have time to do activities that are low stress like hobbies, hanging out with friends and exercising. So here there is one conversation between teacher and the student. Teacher, boy, listen to me. I think we need to work this out. But first you need to cool down a bit. She took both the boy on either side and put arms around them. Teacher, can you see? Can you each take 3 big breaths? Arun shakes his hand and turns to his back. Teacher, okay Arun, you can cool down on your own whichever way you want. Chirag and I shall count 3 breath. Now Arun, are you ready to talk? Arun, yes. Teacher, let us understand the issue. Arun thought he was still using the book, but Chirag thought he was done with it. That's right. Both the boys agree. Teacher, how do you think we can solve that problem? Maybe Arun can give the book to me. Teacher, would that work for both of you? Arun, no, I have not finished it yet. I want to read it one more time. Teacher, so after reading it once, will you give it to Chirag? Chirag, what do you think of that? Chirag, okay. Teacher, thank you Chirag. I like how you both solved the problem together. Chirag went to talk to his friend while Arun returns to the book. Teacher, Arun, you made me sad when you took book away from Chirag like that. What else could you have done instead of pulling and grabbing, arguing? So here, Arun, maybe I could have asked him for it instead of grabbing. Teacher, I think that sounds like a good idea. How could you have asked? Chirag, I am not finished with it. Give it back right now. Teacher, instead of yelling, could you add a friendly word at the end? Arun, please. Smiles. Teacher, you got it? Leaves Arun to his book. Later, Arun gets up and goes and gives it to Chirag. Arun, here Chirag, you can have it. Arun, thank you Arun. Teacher, boys, that was good behavior. Next time do remember to stall before you fight. Okay, so children, here we have completed the chapter number 5 and I have given you the homework, and here is some more activity. Note down the exercise you do to kind healthy food you ate. Okay, so write it over here and based on which day or week draw a star. So in which day what fruit or which vegetable you eat, just make down the star over there. This is your homework. Thank you.